Break ID number 3784. 2018 Chronicles Baseball 1-box break. Here's the alphabetical list. Well, that looks like just Aaron and Garrett. Go. I bet we have 2 free spots in there. Yep. Aaron CU, Garrett CR. Braves versus Red Sox. We know how well that worked. Sorry, Aaron. World Series. Yeah, Garrett just called it the World Series. Could be.
I wouldn't like if it is.
Hoskins, rookie. Devers, cornerstone jersey, blue parallel /49. Boston, Garrett, CR. Acuna rookie. See? Devers and Acuna. Torres rookie. Junior /99. Yeah. Oh my. Cracked ice. Gleyber Torres rookie /24. Wow. Holy cow. Season ticket, cracked ice. Auto. Yankees, Garrett, CR. Yikes. Devers rookie. Hoskins rookie. Christian Walker. No problem. Nice indeed. 2. Arizona. Garrett, CR. Albies rookie. DJ Peters. Dodgers, Aaron CU. Torres rookie. Last pack. 3 left in Origins. 6 left in Finest. 7 in the Bowman High Tech 2-box. Albies rookie. All right.